Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math Grade 5, Quarter 1, Lesson 7. Our topic for today is about base and height of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. First, identify the height of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid in different orientations. Second, find the area of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid in square centimeters or square meters using formulas. Content. First, base and height of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid. Second, formulas for the areas of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Day 1. Let's have a short review. Review on parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Figure 1. Base 6. Height 3. Area 18. Figure 2. Base 8. Height 3. Area 12. Figure 3. Base 7 and 3. Height 4. Area 20. Lesson purpose. Step 1. Since you already know how to find the area of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids, just like what we did in Activity 1, this time you'll be challenged. You will be find the area without using grids and with shapes shown in different positions. Look at the old figure and new figure. This is parallelogram. Say it again, parallelogram. Next, second, old figure and new figure. This is triangle. Triangle. Say it again, triangle. Next, third, old figure, then new figure. This is trapezoid. Trapezoid. Say it again, trapezoid. Last time, we worked with shapes, parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids that were easy to read. The base was flat or horizontal, and the height stood up or the vertical, so it was simple to spot them. But this week, you will level up. You'll work with the same shapes, but they'll be in different positions or orientations. That means that the base and height won't always look easy to find. Before we start, here are our goals for today. First, identify the heights of parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid even if the shape is turned. Second, Find the area of each shape using the right formula and right answer in square centimeters or square meters. Let's begin. All the shapes we worked with parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids were in the same position. The base was always lying flat at the bottom, and the height was always standing straight up like a building. Reviewing base and height in standard orientation. This made it easy to find the base and height because they were always in the same direction. The base was horizontal, flat like the floor. The height was vertical, straight up and down like a flagpole. Unlocking vocabulary. The figures could be covered by smaller squares. A single square is a square unit, while the one-side length of a square unit is what we call a linear unit. The length is the number of linear units of the longer side, while the width is the number of units of the shorter side. The area is the number of square units that cover the surface of the figure. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. A parallelogram is a four-sided polygon with two pairs of opposite sides parallel. A trapezoid is a four-sided polygon with one pair of opposite sides parallel. Triangle, the length of a perpendicular line segment from a vertex to the opposite side. Parallelogram and trapezoid, the length of the perpendicular line from the baseline to the line parallel to it. Parallelogram and trapezoid, the length of the perpendicular line from the baseline to the line parallel to it. Day 2. Subtopic number 1, heights of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Cut out of triangle ABC. Drawing the height of triangle ABC. Draw the height of the triangle. The height is a straight line that goes from the opposite corner or vertex and goes straight down to the base, making a right angle like the corner of a square. The height of a triangle is the length of the perpendicular line. That means it makes a right angle from the base to the opposite vertex. What happens when we change the base? That line was the height for base AB, but now we are using BC as the base, so the height must change. A triangle has three possible heights. Height goes from point C straight down to side AB, forming a right angle. Figure 1, AB as the base. Height goes from point B straight down to side CA. Figure 2, CA as the base. Height goes from point A straight down to side BC. Figure 3, BC as the base. Identifying base and height. Identify the length of the base and height of the given polygons in the first column. Identifying base and height. First figure, base BC. Base 6 centimeters. Height 3 centimeters. Second figure, base FG. Base 5 meters. Height 3 meters. Third figure, base JK. Base 8 centimeters. Height 6 centimeters. Fourth figure, base JK. Base 7 centimeters. Height 6 centimeters. The triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids also have bases. Hence, heights are also dependent on which side is considered the base. Understanding height in parallelograms. The height of a parallelogram using figures JOMS or JOMS. Base JS. Answer, base JS. Base SM. Base SM. Base OM. Base OM. Base JO. Base JO. Worked examples. Identify the length of the base and height. First figure, base 4 meters, height 9 meters. Second figure, base 12 centimeters, height 8 centimeters. Third figure, base 6 meters, height 7 meters. The height of a trapezoid and how it's different from other shapes like triangles and parallelograms. A trapezoid is a shape that has only one pair of parallel sides. These sides are called the bases. Trapezoid RITQ. The height of trapezoid RITQ is the length of the line that is perpendicular to both sides RI and TQ. Trapezoid only has two bases, side RI and TQ. Sides RQ and IT can't be bases, since the two sides are not parallel to each other. Trapezoid RITQ only has one height. The height remains the same regardless of the base being side RI or TQ. Identify the length of the base and height. Figure 1. Base 1, 11. Base 2, 6. Height, 4. Figure 2, base 1, 3, base 2, 6, height 2. Figure 3, base 1, 12, base 2, 8, height 9. Figure 3, base 20 centimeters, height 12 centimeters. Figure 4, 16 meters, height 15 meters. Figure number 3, base 12 centimeters, height 12 centimeters. Figure 4, base 15 centimeters and 10 centimeters, height 12 centimeters. Figure 5, base 18 centimeters and 12 centimeters, height 8 centimeters. Figure 6, base 12 meters, height 15 meters. Day 3, subtopic number 2, areas of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Activity number 3, formulas for the areas of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Instructions, complete the table. Figure 1, base 20 centimeters, height 12 centimeters. Formula of area, A equals B times H. A equals 20 times 12 equals 240. Area equals 240 square centimeters. Figure number 2. Base 16 meters. Height 15 meters. Formula of area, A equals B times H divided by 2. A equals 16 times 15 divided by 2 equals 120. A equals 120 square meters. Figure number 3. Base 18 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Height 8 centimeters. Formula of area, A equals B1 plus B2 times H divided by 2. A equals 18 plus 12 times 8 divided by 2 equals 30. A equals 30 square centimeters. Turn and talk to your seatmate. Share how you solved it and listen to each other's ideas. Worked example. Step 1. The 3 examples of finding the area of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Example 1. Given B equals 20 centimeters, height is 12 centimeters, formula is B times H. A equals 20 times 12, A equals 240 square centimeters. Next, triangle. Given base is equal to 16 meters. Height 15 meters. Formula, A equals B times H divided by 2. A equals 16 times 15 divided by 2 equals 240 divided by 2 equals 120. Area equals 120 square meters. Next, third, trapezoid. Given base 1, 18 feet, base 2, 12 feet. Height, 8 feet. Formula equals B1 plus B2 times h divided by 2. A equals 18 plus 12 times 8 divided by 2 equals 20 times 8 divided by 2 equals 160 divided by 2 equals 80. Answer, 80 square feet. Lesson activity. Find the area of the following figures. A equals B times H. Answer, 180 square meters. Figure number 2. The answer is 72 square centimeters. Lesson activity. Turn and talk to your seatmate, share how you solved it, and listen to each other's idea. Day 4. Activity number 4, Learner's Takeaway. Instructions, find the areas of the following figures. Steps on parallelogram. How to locate the height, find the straight line that goes from the top to the base or bottom, making a right angle of 90 degrees. How to find the area using a formula. A equals B times H. Next, triangle. How to locate the height? Draw a straight line from the top point to the base that makes a right angle. How to find the area using a formula? A equals B times H divided by 2. And last, trapezoid. How to locate the height? If you know the diagonals, use them. The height is not always shown, check for diagonal length. And how to find the area using a formula. A equals B1 plus B2 times H divided by 2. Activity number 5, formative assessment. Find the area of the figures using the formulas. Answer, area equals 104 square centimeters. Number 2. Answer, area equals 63 square meters. Number 3. Area equals 9 square centimeters. Number 4. Area equals 18 square centimeters. Number 5. Area equals 21 square meters. Number 6. Area equals 30 square centimeters.
And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.